Working with Composite Data Types by Karina Firdausy Saifuddin, 74110300043, with the lecturer by Rengasmara, Escom.oca. Objective: create user-defined PLSQL records. Create a record with the percent row type attribute. Create an index by table. Create an index by table of records. Describe the differences between records, tables, and tables of records. Composite data types are of two types. One is PLSQL records. Two is PLSQL collection by index by table, nested table, and array. Contain internal components and are reusable. PLSQL records must contain one or more components of any scalar, records, or index by table data type called fields. Are similar in structure to records in a third-generation language, or 3GL. Are not the same as rows in a database table. Treat a collection of fields as a logical unit. Are convenient for fetching a row of data from a table for processing. Creating a PLSQL records. Syntax: type. Type name is record. Field declaration. Field declaration. Identifier type name. Where field declaration is field name, field type, variable percent type, table.column percent type, table percent row type, not null, and default expressive. Creating a PLSQL records. Declare variable to store the name, job, and salary of a new employee. Example: type EMP record type is record. Last name Farchad2 225. Job ID Farchad2 10. Salary number 8.2. EMP records EMP record type. PLSQL record structure by field 1 for data type, field 2 is data type, and field 3 is data type 2. Field 1 is example, employee ID, data type number 6, and field 2, last name with data type varchar2. Field 3 with name is job ID, and data type is varchar210. Just like this. 100 and king and at press. The percent row type attribute. Declare a variable according to a collection of columns in a database table or view. Prefix percent row type with a database table. Fields in the record take their names and data types from the column of the table of or view. Advantages of using percent row type. 1. The number and data types are underlying database column need not to be known. 2. The number and data types of the underlying database column may change at runtime. 3. The attribute is useful when retrieving a row with the select star statement. The percent row type attribute. Example: declare a variable to store the information about a department from the department table. Department record department's percent row type. Declare a variable to store the information about an employee from the employees table. For example, employee code, employees, person, row type. Index by tables are composed of two components. One is the primary key of data type binary integer. Two, column scalar or record data type. Index by tables can increase in size dynamically because they are unconstrained. Creating an index by tables. Syntax. Type. Type name is table of column type variable table dot column type not null tab dot percent row type index by binary integer identifier type name. Declare an index by table to store name. For example, type in name table type is table of employees last name type. Index by binary integer. In name table type. Index by table structure. Unique identifier for 1 until 3. It is a binary integer, so it must be unique identifier. And column by your name. John Smith, murderer and etc. is a scholar. Creating an index by table. By declare type in name, just like this, index by binary integer, and type higher date, and index by binary integer. And if table in name is exists, then insert into blah 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 and until end. Using index by table methods. The following methods make index by tables easier to use: axis, count, first and last, prior, next, trim, and delete. Index by table of records. Define a table variable with a permitted PL or SQL data type. Declare a PL SQL variable to hold department information. For example, type department table is table of department row type. Index by binary integer. Example of index by table of records. Just like this, in the declare, type emp table is table of finished, enter employee, and index by binary integer. And then begin. We use for tool for looping and end loop. And then loop to show the put line, the last name, and it will end loop. Summary. In this lesson, you should have learned to define and reference PL/SQL variables of composite data types. PL/SQL records, index by tables, index by table of records. Define the PL/SQL record by using %row type attribute. Practice 5 overview. This practice covers the following topics. 1. Declare index by table. 2. Processing data by using index by table. 3. Declaring a PL/SQL record. 4. Processing data by using a PL/SQL record. Tuliskan blok PSQL untuk mencetak informasi tentang suatu negara. Gunakan perintah define untuk menampung country ID. Kemudian gunakan data bertipe record untuk menampung informasi dan tampilkan dengan DBMS output.putLine. Gunakan untuk negara ID yaitu CA, DE, UK, US. Berikut adalah kode yang akan kita masukkan ke dalam CMD. Set server output on, define pCountry ID, declare country info, countries %row type, begin select bintang into country info from countries, per country ID, and pCountry ID. Di BNS output line berisi tentang country ID, country name, dan region ID. Kemudian kita M dan akan tampil hasilnya. Kemudian kita enter value for P, yaitu dengan CA. Maka country ID-nya adalah Kanada dan country ID-nya nilai 2. PLSQL prosedur successful complete. Selanjutnya untuk country ID DE, yaitu dengan nama Germany dengan country ID 1. Selanjutnya kita masukkan UK untuk country ID United Kingdom. Dan terakhir kita masukkan US, yaitu United States of America. Soal nomor 2, buat program PLSQL yang menampilkan nama dari tiap departemen yang ada pada tabel departemen dengan menggunakan index by table. Keterangan deklarasi variabel myDepTable bertipe index by tabel yang menyimpan informasi nama departemen sesuai dengan data yang ada pada tabel berikut. Jadi, dalam tabel departemen ada sebanyak 7 macam departemen dengan nomor departemen seperti yang tercantum pada tabel tersebut di atas. Berikut adalah program yang akan kita kerjakan. Declare type table is table of department. Dan kita masuk ke begin, select count into count from department for E sama dengan in 1 until fill loop count loop. Kemudian kita isi dari angka 1 sampai dengan 26 dengan VDEP 0 berisi ratusan. Kemudian select department name into my department table E, di mana akan ditampilkan di BMS output line berdasarkan loopingan mulai dari E dan akan ditampilkan my department table E. Kemudian kita end loop. Kemudian kita paste pada command prompt dan akan muncul dari nomor 1 sampai 27 nama-nama pada tiap departemen, antara lain IT, Public Relations, Sales, Executive, Finance, Account, Treasurer, Corporate Tax, dan sebagainya. Kemudian nomor 3, modifikasi program PLSQL yang dibuat pada nomor 2 untuk menampilkan semua informasi pada tabel departemen, meliputi nomor departemen, nama departemen, dan lokasi departemen. Gunakan variabel myDepTable yang bertipe index. Berikut adalah program yang akan kita copy, yaitu point pada departemen Azure Type. Kita copy program, kita paste, kita paste. Kemudian nomor ID akan tampil, yaitu 1700, 2700, 2500, 2400, dan sebagainya. Dan untuk nomor 4, di mana select count from employee, count akan tampil 107. Dan bila di count distinct manager ID from employees, where manager ID is not null, maka akan tampil 18. Selanjutnya, bisa kita copy perintah tersebut. Maka prosedur successful complete. di mana akan ditampilkan dengan select count from employee akan menurun sebanyak 96. Okay, thank you for your attention and I say wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.